Welcome back, folks. We are now on the second part of this module where we're going to be talking about branding. Branding is all about how a partner or a sponsor is projected to stakeholders. It is a process of building, managing, and improving a brand. Now, this is just an example of an overall outlook for branding. It actually evolves around defining a brand, positioning the brand, and delivering something for the brand. So if you see this poster on your screen, it talks about one of the nationals of 2018 that was held in Pune. Now, if you see, there are a few stakeholders who are related to swimming. You have Speedo, you have Mirta Pools, you have a partner in the Sports Authority of India accordingly. So this is how basically a brand positions itself, right? So now, what is really important while you do branding is understanding who your target audiences are. Until and unless you know who your target audience is, it is very difficult to position the brand. Which brand would want to associate with a particular event? Now, since it's a swim meet, our very first important target audience or a stakeholder is a swimmer. Then comes the coaches who basically tell a swimmer about which brand to be associated with. However, it's the swimmer who usually gets comfortable with a particular brand. It could be an apparel, it could be a supplement, it could be anything. Now, coaches, because yes, coaches train so many athletes and their suggestion could actually make a huge difference to a particular brand. There are a lot of fans, sports lovers, and parents who actually are part of the meet or they've been following the meet through publication, through media, through social media, or maybe they might be watching the live stream of the entire event. So they are again your target audience as well. Now, sponsors, since they could be part of the event or maybe because they associate themselves with the event, having a good brand part of the meet makes a huge difference. But there also federation, your organizers, your local team, your technical team who are part of your target audiences, who eventually through word of mouth or through suggestions can help a brand do really well. There are broadcasters, there are media who are part of the event. Eventually, they will definitely be present at the venue. So, they're again your target audiences. Now, how does branding help? How does branding actually help a particular brand? Now, eventually a brand would want to be associated with particular meat so that they get a particular equity for their brand value. If the brand is not known to people, a good branding could help in brand awareness. Now, depending upon what agreement they have with the organizers, the event organizer would be able to place and project a brand really well. And then it's all about defining the brand. It's all about positioning the brand, and finally delivering what event can do to a particular brand. Now, doing all of the above, it's a delight for your partners or your sponsors. So, this is how a proper branding in an event helps a brand also because of the contributions that a brand brings to the event. It eventually also helps the organizers. So it is really important to understand what branding does to you.